Hello, everyone. This is Harry Cheema from Coldwell Banker in Surrey, BC. I have been working with Tejas and his team, Table 9 Media, from past 3 months. He's been a great assistant in my field for my business and all the marketing needs. I would like to highlight within the last 3 months, I made 3 sales and 5 more qualified sales in the pipeline. I have received two referrals so far. I would like to thank Tejas and his entire company for helping me grow my business and get me back into the marketing, selling successfully. The company system works very effectively. The team is amazing in helping you successfully market yourself and generate leads to help grow your business. The team is always ready to help, whether it be setting up campaigns or overall with any marketing inquiries. I would recommend Table 9 Media to all the businesses and professionals who want to run their business successfully through the use of effective marketing and continue growing their business. Thank you.